Hey cuties, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are drawing Patrick in a fun new style. I thought of giving Patrick a witch hat and let him hold a basket full of treats. So why don't we get started? Let's start with Patrick's eyes. So we're gonna draw 2 circles right over here. And we're going to draw another circle inside it. Great. Now let's draw his mouth. Patrick has a bigger mouth than this, like a very big mouth, but I thought of giving him a small one. Now let's draw eyebrows. It looks like he's angry. It legit looks like he's angry, but it looks like an emoji face. Emoji, not mochi face. Ooh, I love emojis. They're so cute and soft. Okay, now let's draw the witch hat that I thought would be fun to draw. Okay, now let's draw, I don't know what to call this, but they're like designs on witch hats. Now let's draw Patrick's body. Let's start from this side or this side. I think we're gonna start from this side. And let's make the trick-or-treating basket at the end. And first, let's complete Patrick's body. It's really, really easy to draw. So follow me in all the steps I make, and it will be very, very easy for you guys to make it. Adorable, and also his other toe. And perfect. Now let's draw his hand. So we're gonna start from here and come down. This hand is the most fattest and biggest hand I've ever seen. Ever. Yeah. I've never seen that big hand before. I guess Patrick has a big hand now. Nice big hand. Let's make the trick-or-treating basket. He's going to have a Halloween day. A nice snack day. Like he's going to houses, knocking on the door. Trick or treat. Oh, I got so many snacks. It's like that. So instead of making a pumpkin face, why don't we write trick or treat? Trick or treat. Looks like my words are mixed up. Roll my E. Okay. Now let's draw some treats in our trick-or-treating basket. So, oh my goodness, what in the world just happened? Okay, that's good. Now let's draw, I don't know what to call this. These type of sweets, I don't know. I think these are M&Ms. Let's say, oh my goodness, there are so many M&Ms. Can I have some? Patrick, please? Can I have even one? No? Okay. He's just us. He's just playing English or Spanish with me right now. So that's the finished product today. I drew SpongeBob's best friend, and I also made a video on drawing SpongeBob, and he was a girl and a wizard. He was like it was she, because I made SpongeBob a girl by adding some hair on her, and also making him a witch a magician. Yes, I remember. And if you want to draw SpongeBob, go check that video right now. And thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.